Tara Brandis with KBIA, and today we are going to be talking about managing your insurance costs. And we do have this flyer that we keep in the office. We can also email it to you, so if you would like to have a copy of the flyer that's actually titled Managing Your Insurance Costs, we can send that to you. So feel free to send us an email, kbia@comcast.net, and we'll get it over to you, or stop by either office in Livonia or Southgate. But here are some tips. We'll go over auto and home insurance on ways that you can mitigate and lower your premium. It's a big concern for a lot of clients that we talk to, so here we go. We'll start with auto. And the first thing, and unfortunately it's something that you typically don't have a lot of control over, is your age. The older you are, the cheaper your insurance. Up to about age 21 or 22. Typically at that point you're considered a full driver, and you're not going to see a lot of drop off as you get older. Now once you get to a certain age, your insurance will start to actually increase as you go past a certain age. We can combat that with a senior discount. Now, having at-fault accidents is something that you do have control over. Having a not-at-fault accident doesn't affect you, but if you have an at-fault accident where the company determines that you're more than 51% at fault, usually based on the police report, witnesses, and them putting you at fault, you will see an increase in your premium, especially if it's accompanied by a ticket. That brings us to another point of safe driver. Now, being a safe driver at Nationwide means 3 years of no violations. So 3 years, no tickets, you get a safe driver discount. And a big one, no DUIs. DUI in Michigan puts you out of being able to write with standard auto insurance. We have to put you into a high-risk pool insurance policy, and it usually comes along with higher rates. So avoid that. Now, the next one that you do have control over as well is lapses in insurance. The state of Michigan, if you have a vehicle that's registered, even if you're not driving it, you need to keep at least the minimum coverage on there, or put it in what's called storage. Storage rips all the coverages away except for comprehensive. And as long as you have one vehicle that's drivable, you can keep another vehicle in storage. So having no lapses in coverage is one way that you can control and mitigate your premiums. If you do have a lapse in coverage, it'll take us 6 months of proving that you have insurance in a higher risk policy to be able to bring you back to a standard carrier. And that's throughout the state of Michigan. Now, prior coverage amounts. Certain carriers, including Nationwide, will give you discounts when you come over from another carrier and you have prior high BI limits. The state of Michigan requires that you have $20,000 per person, $40,000 per occurrence. So if you carry higher liability limits, like $50,000, $100,000, $100,000, $300,000, or even $500,000, $500,000, you get a discount when switching carriers. So if you come to us and you've got higher bodily injury limits, as long as we can verify that with your previous carrier, we can get you a discount for that as well. Managing your insurance credit. Not having lapses for non-payment on policies, not being overextended. Those are a couple ways that you can affect your insurance credit in the state of Michigan. Home ownership. Nationwide is one of the carriers that gives a discount simply for having and owning your own home. We need to be able to prove that. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to have insurance with Nationwide, just simply home ownership will do it. Deductibles and limits. The higher your deductible, the less expensive your insurance is. So if you have, for example, a $500 deductible, it is going to be less expensive for you to maintain insurance on your vehicle than if you have a $250 deductible, which would be more. Also, the limits. We talked about the bodily injury limits. The state minimums are $20,000 per person, $40,000 per occurrence. Having higher liability does cost more, however, it often offers more protection as well. The type of the vehicle. We have clients all the time that call us with the VIN numbers so that we can check and see which vehicles are more expensive. Certain vehicles are more expensive to insure than others based on whether or not they have airbags, whether or not they have anti-theft devices, and also the cost to repair and replace the vehicle. So typically a higher cost vehicle is going to be more to insure. Vehicles that it's tough for us to get parts and for insurance companies to get parts, going to cost more. Allowing friends to use your vehicle when they have accidents in your car. is going to end up costing you more. If they have an at-fault accident in your vehicle, that could end up costing you. Some discounts that are offered, and a lot of this is through Nationwide. There are other carriers that offer these discounts as well. Your student discount for good students that are having at least a 3.0 or better. A group discount. We have several groups that we give discounts for. AARP, college alumni, certain work employment-related groups, Michigan Women Business Owners, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts of America. We have several different groups. So we'd like to give you a list of all the groups that we have, and then you tell us what groups you're in so we can find out which would be the best discount for you. Having multiple policies with one carrier. If you have your home, your auto, your inland marine, your boat, your motorcycle, all with Nationwide, you're going to get a much better discount than if you have them with a bunch of different carriers. And long-term customer discount. The longer you're with Nationwide, the longer you're with our agency, you're going to get a long-term customer discount on your Nationwide policy. So those are some of the ways that you can manage your discounts on your auto policy. Now let's talk about your home policy. On home, the type of home that you have and the construction of that home is going to make a big difference. Masonry, which is brick, is going to be the best rate. It's going to have the best rate. The age of the home. New home discounts do apply for homes that are built within the last 10 years. The location of the home. Again, we've had clients that have been looking at homes. Now's a great time to buy. The price that you pay for homes out in the market right now really makes it a buyer's market. But call us and let us know what zip code you're looking at, and we can call and let you know if that's a higher rate or a lower rate area. Having claims. Unfortunately, unlike auto insurance, having claims on homes, there's no fault really that applies. So most claims you're going to be affected no matter what happens. In the state of Michigan also, regardless of what carrier you're with, 3 claims in 3 years and you're no longer eligible for standard homeowners insurance. So claims is another one that you can really affect in determining whether or not your rates will go up. Deductible. Again, same with auto insurance. The higher your deductible, the cheaper your insurance. And some of the discounts that we offer. The home and car discount. So you get a discount on the home for having the car, you get a discount on the car for having the home. So it goes both ways. Protective device discounts. Having smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, deadbolt locks, any kind of an alarm system, whether it's a local alarm or that's monitored by Guardian or ADT, increases the amount of discounts that you get there. And last but certainly not least, renovation discounts. With Nationwide, we have 4 areas that we give discounts for. That includes doing renovations to your roof, to your plumbing, to your electric, and to your heating or cooling. If you've done any of these renovations in the last 10 years, we need to know about it because it's a discount that you could get on your home. So again, these are just some ways that you can help mitigate your premium and lower the cost of your insurance. Some of them are in your control. Age, unfortunately, your age on auto is not within your control, but a lot of these are within your control. And we have this report. Again, feel free to email us, kdia@comcast.net, if you want to get a copy of this report, or stop by our office either in Livonia and Southgate, and we'll give you a copy. Feel free to visit our website. You can contact us through there as well. It's www.ketura, KETURA, KBIA.com. Thanks again, and talk to you soon.